How do I find my submitted quotes? There are two ways to find a quote that has been submitted. Way number 1. In the load board at the Find Loads subtab, each load has a Submit Quote icon on the right. Just click on it and fill in the quote details, such as price, mileage, and time frame. This way, you will submit a quote to a broker. Then you will see this reference quote number in the Quoted tab. If the broker accepts your quote, it becomes a real shipment, which means your bid was accepted and you won this RFQ. Under My Quote History, you will find this reference number with the status 1. To check more details on the load, get rate confirmation, chat with the broker, and assign your driver on tracking, go to the Uncovered Shipments tab on the left side menu. Way number 2. When the quote has been submitted to a broker, you will find it in the Quoted subtab. In case the load posting expires or gets assigned to another company, you will still be able to find it in your quote history. It'll be under the status Lost. Let us know if you have any further questions or issues by texting our support. Enjoy IVIA!